Guatemala road trip. Baby riding on a motorcycle. Very, very impressed. Look at that. We're wonderful. Walking through a tunnel in a hotel that actually goes under the street.
Yep.
This is a really sweet hotel too.
Santo Domingo Hotel. It's got ruins and they've incorporated the hotel into the ruins, built it in there.
Can't be right. I don't think that would pass code in Florida. We got a Kodak, we got the McDonald's right next to each other. There's the McDonald's. And the Burger King is just up the street. We even got a Burger King and a Pops. So, the Pops ice cream you were talking about.
Coffee Farms has paintballing and zip lining, and they drive around in those Unimogs like troop carriers, and their paintball stuff is way up in the mountain, so you get to take the Unimog way up in the mountain on these dirt roads for the paintballing or the zip lining, and then they'll drop you off in town or they'll pick you up in town.
These guys fishing or something? They're working.
They pull up water buckets and pour them on here so that it's not so dusty. I don't know if that's to benefit the town because there's not so much dust blowing around, or what the deal is.
Seems like everybody's polite until they get in their cars.
It's not too bad though, but it is crazy. You'd never see this in the States.
But that's just the way of life in Guatemala.
Road construction ahead.
Really? This is what they call road construction?
Yep.
Here we have a baby riding a motorcycle.